If your printer is stuck on the HP logo, I'm going to show you 2 steps to be able to fix this issue, and then show.
This is a HP M127 and it's stuck on the HP logo. The first thing we're going to do is to reset the firmware. Just hold on to this particular area and power on your printer, and that is going to reset the NVR of your logic board of the printer. So I'll just hold on to this and it will start initializing and it will reset the firmware of the printer. But before you do this, there are a few steps here you can take to help you resolve the issue, because this can also be a minor issue, like replacing your cartridge, replacing the sensor on your cartridge. That can also cause your printer to hang on the HP logo. But if after replacing your cartridge the problem is still the same, you can now reset your firmware. So if you reset your firmware and that didn't stop it, the next thing we're going to do is to work on the logic board. So make sure your system, the printer, is powered off, and you replace the casing on the left hand side of the printer. So this area is where you are going to remove so that we get access to the logic board, because we are going to be replacing the logic board right now. So this is what the logic board looks like here. You can see the one down here, that is a subboard. And then we have this one here, which is the main logic board. And you have to be very careful when removing all of these flakes. They are very, very important, and you don't want to damage any of them. So I will just carefully remove them, and then so that we'll be able to get access to the logic board. So I'll take out about 3 screws that is holding down the logic board, and ensure you remove all the cables that is attached to the logic board carefully, so that it doesn't damage or break anyone, because they are all very important. If they don't communicate anymore, the printer will come up with another kind of problem again. So this is what the logic board looks like. I'm going to be replacing this because obviously this is bad. If yours is under warranty, you don't have to go through all this process. Just return it back and then they'll sort out the problem for you. But this is out of warranty, so I have to do all I can to repair it so that I can continue using this. So I'm going to be replacing it with this logic board. So don't forget about the Wi-Fi card that is attached to the logic board, so that you can connect your system wirelessly also, because this is a wireless printer, and the card is very important for that function. So I'll just attach all the cables back the way it was before, and I'll power on the printer. So like I said earlier, if you encounter problems like this, the first thing you want to check is your cartridge. Replace your cartridge. Sometimes a sensor on your cartridge might be the cause of this. From the cartridge, if that doesn't solve the problem, then you can go ahead and reset the firmware like I did. Hold down the right arrow key before powering on your printer. Once you hold down your thumb on that area, you can power on your printer. It will reset the firmware of the printer. So we'll do a test print now, and you can see that the printer is starting up normally. Before, it will have been stuck on this logo forever without initializing. So I'll put in a paper there now, and we'll do a test print. Okay, you can see everything is fine. Thank you for watching.